Hi, Jack Zimmer, ABC Keystone President and CEO. We're going to be bringing you some shots of our project that we're so excited about, and also help you learn some of the people who are going to be involved in this. So the next clip here is from Brian Brown with Kinsley Construction, our project superintendent.
Hello, I'm Brian Brown with Kinsley Construction, the ABC project superintendent here for Kinsley. We got the site work is well underway. We got all our cut fills done. E&S controls have been placed. Demolition's pretty much 100% to get our foundations and all started. Not sure if you can hear around back. We got footing started. We hit some rocks. We're working on excavating that out right now, and hoping to get a start on footings Monday.